boy broke down. Came over here to look at this. These things are clean, bro. The white, it's like a frost white. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but in person, it's like icy. Oh, it says frost, so I was right. Yeah, these are clean, bro. I think that's the upgraded grill too, the updated grill that they did on these. But the headlights, yeah, this thing's sick. And I like this piece right here that goes all the way down to the back. And a little spoiler. But the rear on these things, look at those tail lights. Look at the tail lights. That thing is sick. I'd absolutely get one of these. Whoa. Steak and shake. That's an interesting livery.
Yeah, I just got off the phone with the guy.
Man, got the glows, the LEDs. Look at the Miata. I'm gonna take a look at that. Okay. There's a bunch of kids at this meet. Oh, we got the big body. Okay. This is like the ultimate daily right here. You never see these, or at least I don't. The V8. Damn. You got the kids going crazy over there. Yo, this matte black. Matte black's fire. Alpha. Carbon hood. That's crazy. Paint. Bro, I ain't never seen a bagged Impala. We're just gonna look at some bikes. We got a couple Ninjas. I don't know what this one is. Oh, is that an R6? Damn, that's crazy. That's an R6. I don't know anything about bikes. I do like them though. Yo, these are sick. Again, I don't know anything about bikes, but I do know they look cool. And I know M1 looks cool. Boy got a big body cruiser. What is this? A Harley? I don't know. Oh, this thing is clean. Like I told you, I said this before. I'm really messing with these now. These are starting to grow on me a little bit. I thought these were super ugly at first, but stock, they look pretty good. With some chromes. You got some Borlas on in the back. And a wing. That's sick. I think underglow is making a comeback. It's a bright underglow. WRX. I like the old ones. Yeah, I like these old ones more than the newer ones. Damn. That boy got a stopper. Yeah, these are so much nicer than the new ones. I don't know what they did to the new ones, but they look awful. Got a 5.0. Get out of here. Get out of here. Why is he doing that? Why is he doing that? Anyway. What's this? RC? I haven't seen one of these in a while. See, look. Underglow is making a comeback. Yeah, these are nice. Got some carbon pieces. Oh, do these have the automatic wings? I didn't know that. That's sick. I like those. I used to want one of those. I walked right past this Scion. Didn't get no love. Keeping the bumper together. Whoa, sir, you need a wing. Where's your wing? This is nice. This is a nice daily right here. Well, I don't know about daily in this. This thing is low. Damn. Where's your grill? I like these wheels though. They're like a smoked chrome. I forget what you call that. It's like a black chrome or something like that. It's nice. I gotta get me a Miata, bro. For the LOLs. That'd be hilarious. Damn, we got 2 Scions in one day. This is a nice color though. This guy's doing it right. He has a wing. Hold on. Hold on. That was like a WRX wing. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. A nice color. Solid daily. Damn, bro. Whose car is this? That thing's clean. I'm looking at this Corolla. That thing's kind of tall in the front. It's a GR? It's a GR Corolla. These things are kind of cool for a daily. Damn. Yo, that thing is fat. Got hood vents. Okay. Nice little daily right there. Bronco. It's honestly surprising how many compliments I get on my car. Because, I mean, it's just an old Corvette. But, you know, you keep it clean, well maintained, and people will appreciate that, you know? Yo, how is he doing that? That's cool. I could never do that. I could never do that.
I think I would do.
Yo, this is the cleanest little car ever, bro. I gotta get one of these. Oh, he has like bucket seats in there. Okay. White wheels. White on red. I'm messing with this. Oh, what? That's a little freaky, not gonna lie. Yeah, this thing's cool. I drive the hell out of this thing. I think I've seen this one before, but it's always surprising every time I see it. Hold on. Is that a Celica? Yo. I'm messing with this. I wanted to get one of these. Fix it up. Maybe not slam it. I don't think I'd... Oh, another GR Corolla. I wouldn't slam these, but you put on some nice wheels. Fix up the body. This would be a fun daily right here. It's a classic. My bad, y'all. I had to get out of there. There's a lot of kids out there, and it was getting a little crazy. And you know, they were doing like, you know, donuts and all this stuff. I did not feel like being a part of that tonight. I am tired, hungry, ready to go home and eat. So yeah, I didn't want to be a part of that when that thing gets shut down, because it's probably gonna get shut down. So I'm on my way home. Bro, I love looking at my car reflections, bro. Hey, yo, what? Yo, y'all see that? I didn't do that. Anyway, like looking at my car reflections. So nice.